Okay, this video is a book review of a new book called The Poor Man's Way to Fight Cancer. It's also subtitled Cancer Picture Book. This is written by me, so with this book review I can assure you that I'm not biased. So what's different about this book? First of all, I have the Schultz brothers, my wrestling coach at Stanford. I learned from him the concept of incrementalism, which means do a whole bunch of little things that you might think each one individually is insignificant, but they all add up to being significant. And from him, incredible intensity of purpose. When you focus all your concentration and energy on one thing, you get better at it fast. All right, what else is unique? It's not that big. What is it, about 120 pages or something? Oh, 170 pages. But here's some really unique things about it. You won't find this in any other book. It's unique. And whenever I write something, it's going to be something new that no one's ever done before. I start out with the 10 commandments of nutrition and fighting cancer. Then, all these pictures. All the pictures are in color. All the pictures are, pretty much drawings by me because, I've written a bunch of book chapters in the past about cancer, but I never had an illustrator program. So what I did that's very different on this one is it's all full of color illustrations because a person learns a lot faster from color illustrations. Some photographs of the Schultz brothers from the old wrestling days, but what you're going to want to see is all the cancer drawings. So pretty much all the drawings I used in my lectures about cancer, and I've made tons of them, I just put them in here, so all this stuff about, mTOR and AMPK pathway. I recommend other reading and stuff, all the electron transport stuff. So if somebody wants to really understand, let's see if we can get a better picture there. Somebody wants to really understand, crap, my focus is going out of focus. But I think you know what I mean. So basically, there's over 100 illustrations. Let's see, about 110 illustrations. And there's nothing like this. I know all the books out there. I go through them all. This will be the best thing you could read. What else is a great book on cancer? Obviously T. Colin Campbell's book about China study is fantastic. That's probably the best one. This one, though, will give you much additional information than T. Colin Campbell's book. Okay, his book I think is great. As far as that, Neil Bernard wrote one, but TCC's and mine are better. And those are really the three best ones. I liked the one about Tripping Over the Truth by Christofferson. I think that was a good introduction to the biochemistry, but they go off the deep end with all this keto stuff. Anyways, so here it is, Poor Man's Way to Fight Cancer, and it's all illustrated. I think, it's selling at Amazon. I think they're charging about $35 for it. So anyways, just so I want you to know about it. So I think if you know somebody who's got cancer, it'll help them. Not to brag, but, I was really good at biochemistry, and I find it fascinating. And I try to study this stuff and really figure out how to help people, not the generic BS, So anyways, hope that helps someone you care about.